We are all constantly trying to be better in every way, and the answer to better health, sharper vision, a more balanced mood, and even deeper sleep isn't in a pill or diet, but in the simple act of connecting with nature. Sounds surprising, right? Yet, an ancient practice that involves just a few minutes of your day holds the potential to transform your health and happiness. Stay with us because in today's video, we're uncovering the missing key to a life filled with energy, clarity, and balance. Welcome to Levitas. What is light gazing? Sun gazing is an ancient practice that involves looking directly at the sun during specific times of the day, typically at sunrise or sunset. Rooted in spirituality and holistic wellness, sun gazing is believed to enhance physical, mental, and emotional health. The idea is to absorb the sun's energy through your eyes, which some claim can awaken dormant pathways in the body and mind. When done correctly, sun gazing is thought to stimulate the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye, which regulates hormones and circadian rhythms. The sunlight you absorb during these moments contains a spectrum of wavelengths that nourish your body in ways artificial light cannot. This practice also emphasizes grounding, as participants often stand barefoot on the earth during their sessions. Grounding, combined with the sun's energy, is believed to help harmonize your body's electromagnetic field. However, it's essential to understand the science and methodology behind sun gazing to ensure its safe and effective application. Keep watching as we explore how this practice can improve your health, boost mood, vision, and more. Can it improve vision? The idea that sun gazing can improve vision might sound far-fetched, but there's some intriguing science behind it. Sunlight, particularly during low UV hours at sunrise and sunset, is rich in red and near-infrared wavelengths. These specific light frequencies have been shown to support retinal health by stimulating mitochondrial activity in the eyes. Mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of your cells, play a vital role in maintaining the health of photoreceptor cells in the retina. Exposure to red and near-infrared light has been associated with improved cellular repair processes, potentially counteracting age-related vision decline and retinal degeneration. Sunlight also stimulates the production of dopamine in the retina, which is crucial for maintaining eye health and reducing the risk of myopia. By practicing sun gazing during safe hours, you're essentially giving your eyes a natural energy boost, promoting better focus and visual acuity. While sun gazing can complement overall eye health, it's not a replacement for proper eye care or medical attention. And as we'll discuss later, safety is paramount to avoid potential risks. How does it enhance mood and energy? If you are constantly feeling sluggish or stuck in a low mood, sun gazing might be the natural reset you need. Exposure to sunlight during safe hours stimulates the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter known as the feel-good hormone. Serotonin plays a key role in mood regulation, creating a sense of calm and happiness. Moreover, sunlight exposure directly impacts your body's production of adenosine triphosphate, the molecule responsible for cellular energy. By activating mitochondrial function, the sun's infrared and red light wavelengths help your cells produce energy more efficiently, leaving you feeling revitalized. The practice also supports the release of endorphins, natural chemicals in the brain that elevate mood and provide a sense of well-being. Combine this with grounding, standing barefoot on the earth while sun gazing, and you create a powerful synergy that reduces stress hormones like cortisol while boosting overall vitality. The mood-lifting and energizing effects of sun gazing are immediate, but their benefits compound over time. This simple practice could be your secret weapon for combating stress, fatigue, and even mild depressive symptoms. What are the risks? As beneficial as sun gazing can be, it's crucial to approach it responsibly to avoid harm. The most significant risk is retinal damage caused by looking at the sun during high UV hours, such as midday. Intense sunlight exposure can lead to conditions like photokeratitis or macular degeneration, both of which can impair vision. To minimize risks, always practice sun gazing during the first hour after sunrise or the last hour before sunset. During these times, UV radiation is minimal, making the sunlight gentle enough for your eyes. Start with just a few seconds of gazing and gradually increase your exposure to avoid overstimulating your eyes. It's also essential to avoid wearing contact lenses or glasses during sun gazing, as they can magnify light and increase the risk of damage. Always stand barefoot on a natural surface like grass, sand, or soil, as this helps ground your body and reduce electromagnetic stress. Remember, the key is moderation and mindfulness. With proper technique, sun gazing can be a safe and enriching addition to your health routine. Does it impact circadian rhythms? Your circadian rhythm, or internal clock, dictates when you feel alert or sleepy throughout the day. Sun gazing is a natural and effective way to align your circadian rhythm with the Earth's light-dark cycle, enhancing your sleep-wake patterns. When your eyes absorb sunlight in the morning or evening, it signals the brain's suprachiasmatic nucleus to regulate the release of melatonin and cortisol. Morning sunlight exposure suppresses melatonin production, making you feel awake and energized. Evening exposure, on the other hand, prepares your body for restful sleep by reinforcing the natural decline in cortisol levels. Regular sun gazing can improve sleep quality, reduce insomnia, and enhance overall energy levels during the day. By syncing your circadian rhythm to the natural light cycle, you optimize hormonal balance and metabolic function, both of which are crucial for maintaining health and happiness. How often should you do it? For optimal results, aim to practice sun gazing 3 to 5 times a week. Consistency is key to unlocking its full benefits, but even occasional sessions can make a noticeable difference. To begin, choose a safe time, either the first hour after sunrise or the last hour before sunset. Stand barefoot on a natural surface to ground yourself and face the sun directly. Start with 10 seconds of gazing, gradually increasing your exposure by 10 seconds each day until you reach a maximum of 5 to 10 minutes per session. Maintain a relaxed posture and let your eyes absorb the gentle sunlight. Avoid blinking excessively, but don't strain to keep your eyes open either. A natural gaze works best. Pair your sun gazing routine with mindful breathing or a gratitude practice to enhance its calming effects. This practice doesn't require any special equipment, making it one of the most accessible and cost-effective ways to improve your health and happiness. So, why not give it a try and experience the transformative power of sun gazing for yourself? In conclusion, sun gazing is a practice that blends ancient wisdom with modern understanding of light's impact on the human body. By observing the sun during safe hours, sunrise or sunset, you engage with its healing energy while minimizing potential harm. This ritual stimulates your pineal gland, aligning your hormones and circadian rhythm, which play a pivotal role in overall well-being. For vision, the red and near-infrared light at these times energize your eye's mitochondria, potentially improving retinal health and focus. On a mood level, serotonin and endorphin production increase, lifting your spirits and fostering relaxation. Energy levels also surge as sunlight activates cellular functions, invigorating both body and mind. Safety, however, is paramount. Practicing during low UV hours and standing barefoot on natural surfaces ensures you harness the sun's benefits without harm. Adopting this habit 3 to 5 times weekly allows you to establish a deeper connection with nature while syncing your circadian rhythm for better sleep and sustained energy. Sun gazing is more than a physical exercise. It's a gateway to enhanced health, emotional stability, and vitality. With consistency and mindfulness, it promises a profound transformation, making it a valuable addition to any wellness journey. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.